My name is Joe with Brewer Hardwoods. We're going to show you how to assemble a Geta ballpoint pen kit. So we're going to have to get past the little Ziploc bags here first. We're going to lay all the parts out on the table for you. Okay, so we got it all laid out on the table after we got it all rolling around. Put things aside. Okay, first things we're going to do is we're going to grab the clip. You're going to grab the cap. There's two slots inside the cap where it'll meet the clip. So you line that up and you just take your thumb and press down on it and it's into place. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your center band, you're going to slide that in, and you're going to go and press that down until it stops. That simple. Put that aside. We're going to go to the nib ring, and the nib itself. So you're going to slide the nib onto your nib section and press that down. So it looks just like that. You're going to take your nib ring, you're going to slide your nib ring onto that. You're going to take your blank, slide the nib section into that. You're going to press that down. You're done there. You're going to take your twist mechanism holder. You're going to slide that into the other end of your pen blank. You're going to press that down into there. Then you're going to take your refill and your spring, slide your spring onto the refill, put your refill inside, take your twist mechanism, twist on your twist mechanism, make sure that it works in and out. You're going to take your cap, you're going to slide it on, make sure it works again, and you're done. You just finished your Geta ballpoint pen.